Dropshipping.
528k and in about 48 days.
Dropshipping. I'm sure you've heard of it. It's been making waves in the world of online business. And you might be wondering whether it works and if you have a chance of making it big like all these young millionaires you see on the internet. Well, you've come to the right place. My name is Nate and I'm here to clear up any doubts you might have about starting your own dropshipping business in 2024. Common misconception is that dropshipping is dead. It is impossible for dropshipping to die. Dropshipping is simply a form of fulfillment that lowers the risk on the business owner by them not having to front the inventory costs. Now, the only way dropshipping can die is if people stop buying products online. And with Amazon turning 30 years old this year and still making more and more revenue each year, that seems highly unlikely. Now, the thing with dropshipping is that the meta is always changing. And if you're left behind practicing outdated strategies, then obviously you're going to believe that dropshipping is dead. A good example of this is that back in 2017, the meta for getting traffic to your website was paying an Instagram influencer to post your product on their story. Whereas nowadays you can get much more value for your money by simply running your own ads. Because these days, obviously depending on the influencer's size, they can charge you anywhere from $100 to $150 for just one story post. Whereas running ads, you could get much better results than you would from that influencer. Over the years, dropshipping has become increasingly beginner friendly. These days, as a beginner, all you have to do is choose the right product and use an efficient and reliable media buying strategy. Nowadays, there are literally agencies that create ads for you, ship products for you automatically, and with the introduction of TikTok Shop, you don't even need to set up a website anymore. And speaking of agencies that create ads for you, I partnered with my friend Noah, the owner of Viral Ecom to bring you guys a deal. Viral Ecom is the most well-known video editing company in the world for dropshipping, and they've produced over 50,000 videos for over 25,000 clients. With dropshipping, you need video ads and there's no way around it. And the owners of this company have created more than $30 million in e-commerce sales by using the videos produced by Viral e-commerce. So obviously the service has been proven to convert. This is because the owners are active in e-commerce and constantly update the video ad packages based on the current trends and what is currently working in the market. Some of the most popular and successful dropshippers that have used Viral Ecom ad services are AC Hampton, Ari Sherson, and Sebastian Georgiou. Now they have 4 different packages, one for Facebook ads editing, TikTok ads editing, image ads, and the new addition, TikTok Shop. You could choose the testing package that you'd like. There's the option to add the thumbnails and a GIF. There's the option to add a voiceover. And the ads will be between 30 and 45 seconds. There will be a scripted video and a sales copy, ads that go on the Facebook and Instagram feeds, and if you're a VIP member, you get your ads within 24 hours. And there are unlimited revisions, so basically once you pay and you receive your videos, if you're not satisfied, you can ask them to keep doing it over and over again until you get the version that is to your liking. The way it works is you place your order, you answer the submission form that will come in the email after you purchase to give them any information about your product and what you'd like the ad to contain. If you're a non-VIP member, you receive your videos within 1 to 3 business days. Now, if you're interested in using Viral Ecom ads, get started using my affiliate link below and use code NATE at checkout to get 15% off any order store-wide. Now, another reason why dropshipping is the best business model to start this year is because you don't even need to create your own demand for the product. And I know you're wondering how? Simply sell products that have already been proven to sell in the market. Your job is to position the product with a unique marketing angle and an offer that makes the customer believe that they're getting a bargain. Because who doesn't love a good sale? And that's exactly what you need to think of if you really want to bring home those sales. Simply find a seasonal product and start selling it about 2 months or a month and a half in advance to the season. For example, if you wanted to sell a Valentine's product, start selling it around Christmas or the beginning of the year, because by then all your competitors will be busy advertising their Christmas sales or their New Year sales while you'll be advertising in the unsaturated Valentine's market. And with low competition, you're sure to make sales. Because if you even attempted to start selling your Valentine product at the same time as these big brands, they will blow you out of the water. You can't compete. They have millions of dollars in ad spend budget and you do not. So take advantage of how small your business will be and start selling early. It's that simple. Now, dropshipping has a super low barrier to entry. While other businesses have massive startup costs, you could succeed in dropshipping with as little as $1,500. Now that might sound like a lot, but I want you to go and research how much it would cost to start a full-scale brand with inventory, branding, and all those other costs associated. Really, $1,000 is all it takes. If you meticulously learn from your mistakes and commit yourself to improving at least 1% every day, you're sure to succeed. And if you decide to go the organic route, which is TikTok organic, where you just upload videos of the product with you at home, you won't even spend more than $200 before you find your initial success with the product. That's because you can just order the product from AliExpress for like $1. Before you've even tested 20 products, I can guarantee you'll have gotten at least 10 sales. And if you haven't, go back to what I said, learn from your mistakes and improve 1% daily. Now, if time is a factor to you, worry not, because having a mentor and the initial startup cost will streamline your success. Because if you already have the money to apply the mentor's strategies, it will make it as easy as pie to follow his strategies and apply the input where he recommends as soon as they recommend it. Because think about it, you're literally in contact every day with someone that has already done what you're trying to do and is still doing it and will keep doing it until the day they either get bored or decide to move on to something else. Because once you learn how to sell one product well, trust me, my brother, you can sell anything. Because in this dropshipping game, it's really not about winning products. It's really all about your ability to sell. Because even if you check AliExpress and look at the worst product you can think of, it still has sales, which means that people are buying it for a reason. And you need to figure out how to tap into that reason and target the customer's pain points to make them buy the product. And with the introduction of TikTok, finding these products has become easier than ever. Now, I'm assuming you already waste countless hours doom scrolling useless content on that app. Except now, you'll be doing it with a goal in mind. To find these winning products, all you need to do is sit down and scroll and compile a list of a few potential products that either solve a problem, have a wow factor, or are unique. And once you have a list of products that meet that criteria, all you need to do is narrow down, do the accurate research you need, pick one and start running it. Boom! From there on, all you need to do is build a good store and the sales should start coming in. Now, assuming TikTok organic isn't an option for you, because maybe you live in a country like me where to ship a product here would take over a month, which is highly inefficient because you need to keep testing and testing and testing. Or else you'll waste years just waiting for products to ship and they'll keep failing and eventually you will quit. So your only option then would be to run ads. And assuming you don't have enough money for a course, it's okay. I haven't copped a course myself either, but there's thousands of free value-packed videos on YouTube and all over the internet, not just YouTube. Search on Twitter, TikTok, trust me, they're out there, you just need to look for them. And these videos have been uploaded by dropshippers like me, who started uploading videos long before they were successful with dropshipping. And if that isn't proof that they're telling you the truth, I don't know what is. And see, for most other business models, it's super hard to get information for free because of how mainstream those business models are. Because those gurus just want to capitalize on every single bit of revenue that they can squeeze out of their audience. I hope after completing this video, you understand that dropshipping is literally the easiest business model to start this year. So long as you have dedication and commit yourself to improving 1% every day, you will make it. It's that simple. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please drop a sub. I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers. And if you're ready to get started with your dropshipping journey now, watch this video to learn how to find winning products.